Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome to Shimi's Kitchen with me, Shumala. Today I'm gonna show you how to make chicken Barra kebab. It's very easy to make, it's rich in flavor and goes well with naan paratha. You can also serve this as a starter. So let's get started. In a bowl goes in 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste, 1 tablespoon coriander and green chili paste, 1/4 cup curd, 2 tablespoon oil, 2 tablespoon lemon juice, add 2 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 tablespoon chaat masala, 1 teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon roasted cumin powder, 1 teaspoon salt, adjust as per your taste. Add a pinch of food color, it's optional, you can also skip. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Add 2 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Give this a very good mix. And now I'm going to add 1 kg chicken pieces. Coat the chicken well. Cover and marinate this for 3 to 4 hours or overnight. Now let's make a simple gravy. In a bowl, add half cup curd, half cup fresh cream, 1 tablespoon green chili paste, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, half teaspoon roasted cumin powder, some salt. Mix well and set aside. And now I'm going to fry the chicken. Heat half cup oil in a pan, add chicken pieces and fry for 7 to 8 minutes in a medium-high heat. Turn and cook for more 8 minutes. Once done, transfer this fried chicken pieces in a bowl, give a charcoal smoke. Close the lid for 5 to 10 minutes and set aside. Now let's assemble the chicken pieces on a serving plate. Pour the gravy on serving plate. Place the fried chicken pieces on top. Now pour melted butter on top of the chicken pieces and serve hot. I recently tried this chicken and I was kind of addicted to it because it turned out to be very delicious. It was spicy, juicy and smoky as well, and it tastes wonderful. Hope you will give this a try and let me know how it turned out for you. Snap a pic and tag us on Instagram page shimis.kitchen, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you next time with more amazing recipes, and take good care of yourself. Have a nice day.